Have you ever wondered how people actually make money selling digital products online? And what if I told you you could earn $1,000 online without any technical skill or any prior experience by just selling digital products to the hungry markets online, right? So this sounds too good to be real, right? No, don't worry. Let me explain. The secret to making your first $1,000 online is not as complicated as you think, right? In this video, I want to share with you my exact strategy on how I made my first $1,000 selling digital products online, right? And I'm just going to walk you through all of the details, how you can map out the process, everything you need to do, and everything you need to put in place to achieve these particular results in a short period of time without any hassle for yourself. So, if that being said, guys, let's jump into it and let's talk about it. The very first thing you need to understand is to identify a problem that you want to solve with your products. If you are leveraging on PLR, or maybe you want to start with your own particular knowledge and you want to sell it to the hungry market in the online space, you need to identify the problem that your digital products will solve, right? And the very first thing you need to do in that kind of aspect is to look out to a niche that you want to create your products around, which might be like health, fitness, MMO, like me now, making money online, templates, all of those things around any niche at all is well welcome in the online space. All you need to do is to just identify the problem that people are facing in that particular space, right? And for me, I'm going to use myself as an example because I said I'm going to share with you my exact strategy that helped me make my very first $1,000 selling digital products, right? And now I venture into this space called making money online, internet marketing, and online business. That's my niche, and that's where I create my digital products around. So, in my niche, I understand the problem that we do face in terms of working online, which might be like our traffic, tools, and help to generate leads and all of those things. So, the very first product I start out with is 30 days email list generation or 30 days email list explosion, because I understand the fact like people in my niche want to build an audience through their email. They want to have their big email list. So I create this ebook on how they can grow their ebook from zero to bigger list in 30 days, right? Which is something that brought me to number two, when you get to choose the type of products you want to sell. So for me, I started out with ebook, and then I do more, which I'm going to explain how I'm doing this step by step. Now, in this kind of case, when I started out with ebook, I understand the format of ebook where I'm going to put every of my knowledge into that book and make it accessible for people and easy to understand so they can take action and get the desired result they have in mind before they purchase that particular ebook, right? So after that, the third one is going to be like how you are going to create this ebook. Is it you want to create this with your own particular knowledge, you want to leverage on AI, or probably you want to leverage on PLR products where you get to buy or take existing PDF to use as your own in the online space. We can take this, edit it, format it, and sell it again without any copyright issue. And this is something you can do, right? So that's if you want to leverage on PLR. But me, I started out with my own knowledge because I have the experience. I've worked in that route, so I know how I grow my list to a little bigger list in a couple of days, right? Now, the next one, which is going to be number four, is you to identify your goal so you can know your pricing. Now, the very first thing I map out is I want to make $1,000 within 30 days or max 45 days, right? And then I was lost in my thoughts because I want to figure out the best value rates for my book so I can get to achieve that, my figure, in a desired time, which is what I'm talking about right now. So I get to price this book $17 and I list it out on the market spaces for sale. And I'm going to talk much about that when I get to marketing and promotion. Now, you have to divide your pricing with your goal targets for your particular product. And this can help you get to know how much you can price your products and how many copies you need to sell out to people. So you can get that result that you want for yourself with your ebook or whatever type of digital products you decide to create. It might be audio course, podcasts, cheat sheets, templates, or anything at all. Just make it accessible digitally, and that's what is called digital product, right? And the next one I'm going to talk about is marketing and promotion. I started out all this process all alone by myself, but then I feel like I can't achieve that result as quick as I want to. Not that I don't have any experience about sales and marketing on how to achieve that result, but then I want it fast, and I don't want to put so much stress on myself to market and do the promotion. So I list it out to marketplace like Stakeouts, Warrior Plus, and these two websites does the magic, right? And even on Warrior Plus alone, I tend to make that $1,000 in just single months, which you can see the screenshots right here. And I'm going to tell you the hack that helped me achieve that at the very end of this video. That's just like a bonus tip. And even Stakeout does the magic too. They made me over around $300 with my digital book, right? And then after all of this, I get to scale up, I launch more, and I do more for myself by creating up sales version 1, version 2. And all of these things is something you can put in place, right? Now, if I want to hold your hands truly, and I'm just going to go back all over again, and what if I want to start another book and make $1,000 in the online space? How can I do that? That's why I shared this strategy with you. So the very first thing I mentioned is to identify a product in your niche, which is very, very important because you know the pain points of the people you want to sell to. And once they see you can solve the problem, they will get to swipe their card to buy everything you want, everything you have to sell to them, right? And the next one is to choose your product, which is you might decide to write it by yourself, AI or PLR, or probably you just want to create templates and sell it in any form of your choice to the hungry market. And the next thing I talk about is creating this particular product, which is going to be like writing the ebook, creating the templates, mapping out together all of this funnel, which is going to make you your digital product sell in the online space. And the next thing I talk is the goal, where you get to set a goal target for your book or anything you want to sell. So this goal target is going to help you know the pricing and how many copy and how fast you need to go to get our results achieved. That's if you are a goal achiever by yourself, right? So it's all left to you. Your dream doesn't matter. It's the work that you do on a daily basis to achieve that result, to get to your dream, that matters, right? So you have to figure out your goal target and your specific price point to sell to the audience, right? And the next thing I talked about is marketing, which is going to be, which I mentioned, Stakeouts and Warrior Plus. And these two websites really helped me to scale up really fast. And I'm going to walk you through all this process about how to list out your products on Warrior Plus and Stakeouts. If that's video you want to see on this channel next, drop a comment down this video and say digital products listing, and I'm going to create that video and I'm going to walk you through the exact process, how you can create your product right from start, how you can list it out on Warrior Plus, how you can sell it on Stakeouts, and how you can recruit affiliates to sell all these products for yourself, and you make so much money to your bank account with ease. All you need to do is just to keep your products secure and make sure it's valuable so people can get to see everything that you have on the front page and they can get to buy from you, right? And the bonus I promise, the secret hack that's helped me achieve that result faster than I ever thought is launching more, right? I create my first product, which is 30 days email list exposure, and after that, I create acts of selling in online. You know, people that have bought 30 days email list exposure, they will get access and also try to work on themselves to build their list. And also, I launched another one, which is out of selling online. Like, that's another product. So they want to get that too, and they want to learn how to sell online. So these are the ways and the strategies that I used to make my very first $1,000 selling digital products in the online space. So now I want you to start today too. So I have this digital assets fast cash system course that I've built up and I've used to help a lot of people to get started with this particular model. And even in that course, I share with you how I was able to generate over 15 million naira in just a month selling digital assets online. This is what I do basically. I host the course myself and I list it out with ads, right? I use ad to promote it, and I integrate my direct bank details to the payment method. So the money comes straight to my bank account, which you can see the screenshots right here, 15 million naira in a single month. So if you want to get started and if you want to get access to this course, just click the very first link in the description below, which says Digital Access Fast Cash System starts here. Just click that link and you can get access to this course today at a discount, right? And everything is just something simple to do. Just follow the exact process and you can start making money for yourself in the online space, right? If that being said, guys, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friend that you want to make money online with. Until I see you in the next one, stay peace.